You're looking at a Prototrak. This is a Track K3 machine. This has a tool changer on it, the power draw bar. This machine is actually in very nice shape. It does have one little spot. It looks like they almost nicked it on the table. Otherwise, does not have all the drill holes and all that, the extra stuff, you know, for lightning and everything. This machine's a pretty tight machine. I'm going to just jog it for a little bit here just to show you what she does. I'll do a little quick set up a bolt hole circle. Well, I guess it helps to have a program in. Program will go hole 7. Run it, so as you know, I ran it out of its. I'll go back and edit that. But you can see that it does run DRO. Let's jog it over. Oops. Obviously you can see I don't necessarily run them every day, so here's what it does, and I'll show a path. This is a 7-bolt pattern on 5-inch radius, and if you look up here you can see what it basically did. Zoom in on that, Jer. This is obviously one of the simple programs that you can put in there, even though I may have had a few difficulties with it. But if you're looking for a good Prototrak, this is an AGE machine, an AG2. This is a good machine and it runs great. I thank you and have a great day.